Hi everyone, Kevin here. Thursday, January 30th, 2020. Here's my contact information. Feel free to email me, call me. If you want me to analyze a financial instrument, stock, futures, metals, commodities, whatever you are interested in analyzing or trading, I will share it on the video when I break down the technicals of that instrument. Please, let's get in contact. Here is the daily chart I had yesterday, marking the major swings that are of significance to price action. If you notice today, the market made a nice double bottom, landing on the 78.6 retracement of this green AB swing. Notice that the 78.6 is in green, marking that it is part of the AB green swing. Today it bounced in the 78.6 area, and it also bounced once again on the 61.8% area of this swing AB, the blue AB swing. So we had a few harmonic numbers, Fibonacci numbers, clustering in that area, adding an area where to look at to perform a trade. And obviously it touched those areas and bounced really nice towards the end of the day, creating a double bottom. Today I added an A, a red A dot dot dot, and a red B dot dot dot, indicating this swing up, which it looks like we're forming a swing up. And I'm going to, the following charts and discussion, I'm going to break down and try to anticipate where our major pivot moves are going to occur. Here is a 60-minute chart that I also was using yesterday. They are the exact same numbers as the previous daily chart. And if you notice, I just added today an A dot dot dot, red A and the red B dot dot dot, indicating the new swing up, or this push up. It does look strong. We got three big green bars, three big bullish bars closing on their highs, indicating good buying pressure. With a move up like this, you or I anticipate at least another move up, another leg up when it's so strong like this. So what would that look like? Where would it go? Well, there's a few targets, and the first one is the neckline of the double bottom measuring move. So we got a bottom here, bottom here. What you do is you take the distance from one of these bottoms and you put it to the neckline, and that measuring move takes us to this blue, or this cyan, turquoise line, and that is 3,346, perhaps a first target. Here's how I got that. I went from this low to the neck, or the in-between leg of the double bottoms, and this is the 100% area, 3,342 area, give or take a few points. There's the 100 mark, 100% of the neckline. Okay. What is anticipated next is a pullback, maybe a B, a C pullback, some kind of pullback, whether it be a bull flag, a 3 push down pattern, another double bottom somewhere in the pullback. Once the B leg up is complete, looking for that pullback. Once that pullback occurs, I'm going to look for a measured move. And once that measured move is in sight, I'm going to try to find some harmonic numbers using different patterns, different legs of the market, looking for a confluence of prices. Back to the daily chart really quickly. Here's the red lines indicating the double bottom. I have these two lines, these parallel lines indicating a channel line. And it looks like we're still in that channel on the daily chart until it breaks strongly or closes beneath this channel. I am going to assume that we're still channeling up. Back to the 60-minute chart. When this leg up is complete, I'm going to look for a pullback as I mentioned. For this leg to be complete, I'm going to look for topping out action, just like this. Maybe a 3 push. This is a head and shoulders top, and it broke. This type of action here indicates that this green AB leg was complete. And then I was looking for a pullback into these harmonic numbers, which we got. Then we got a triple bottom, a double bottom, breakout pullback, and then move up, and an impulse move up. And now I put the A and the new red A and the new red B. So now, like I said, when we get something similar to this topping action, we're going to start to go down. At the termination of that down move is where I'll be interested into looking for a technical pattern, double bottom. Where would that area land? If this leg was concluded right where it is right now, which I don't necessarily believe that this wave, this red AB is complete, but just for teaching purposes, I'm already going to pretend that it's done and the type of areas of pullback I'll be looking for. The common theme here that I've been using is Fibonacci numbers. 38.2, 50%, 61.8, 78.6, 88.6. The red numbers, solid red numbers right here, are those Fibonacci numbers I just got done labeling. 38.2, 50, 61.8, 78.6, 88. If the move up from this A to B is done, I would look for a pullback into these areas for a buy signal. When the market goes down, it too will make measured moves of equal distance, adding validation to termination of the retracement areas. Obviously, we're not there yet. I do want to bring a point here that we could still be in the beginnings of a bearish trend, and we could be making a wave 4 still. It's still alive for the bears, creating a wave 4. One reason why is I have this 1 down and this 2 up. Price has not entered into the area of this wave 2. So therefore, Elliott wave terms, it still could be forming a 4, and once complete, move down impulsively to new lows, which is a possibility. And this up move could just be the finishing move of a correction with prices to go down that follows. If you notice this A leg up here, it is up, down, slightly choppy. And in the rules of alternation, the next C wave is going to be different. And it's already has the characteristics of being different. It's much sharper, it's stronger, and more to the point. That lends itself to a possibility of an abrupt reversal. This could be, the bears could see this as a buying vacuum to test resistance, and then abruptly reverse back down impulsively. So in the previous charts, I said when this move is complete, I'll be looking for some kind of measured move in an organized manner. An A down here, a B up here, and a C down here. And then looking for a buy. If, however, it becomes extremely strong down, this might not be the case. We could be breaking new lows and going down. So the bottom line is, it remains to be seen what the market has in store for us. But if you're just looking at it, you have to think that this is strong. So right now, as of now, in this moment, in this minute talking, it automatically makes me think that this move up is not done. It's just too strong. We're going to come down, maybe test this, and then make another move up. And I've already given you one measured move using this neckline up. The other move that I'll be interested in looking to see if it coincides with that neckline measurement would be a down somewhere here. Excuse me. This type of move. If we come up and then we find a bottom down here, what I'm doing is I'm measuring this move and then find the bottom, which would be the C termination point, and then I'm looking for a measured move based on that. AB leg equals a CD type of leg. And if this were the case right here, this 100% right here, look where it's landing. It's probably landing right here to save the bears. It's already coinciding with the 78.6 retracement pattern. So this could be the sell area. Thinking ahead, way ahead. But see what we just did here. There's money to be made. Money to be made if you get in, and this holds true. You get in on a pullback, and we go up for that measured move. There's a nice swing. And then we'll see what happens there. I hope that makes sense. A lot to digest. Anyhow, comment, send me an email, call me. Let me know who's viewing this. If you guys are consistent viewers, I don't know who's out there. I don't know. I don't have any feedback. I hope you like what I've been doing. It's been, my opinion, been pretty accurate here. Have a good day.